So restoring the headlights on your car is a complete waste of time. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about if you have like an '04 Grand Cherokee and the headlights get all cloudy, and there are all those headlight restoration kits out there to get the cloudiness out of your headlights. It's a band-aid. It doesn't help. So what happens is on those headlights that are made out of plastic, where they have the plastic lens on them, like an old Grand Cherokee or like a Lincoln LSC coupe, remember them things? Those are pretty cool cars. The sun oxidizes the headlights and it kind of breaks down the components of the lens. So when you restore them with one of those kits, you kind of just buffing the crap that's on them out, and it's going to look clearer, but the damage is already done to the headlight lens. So it's going to come back, and it usually comes back in about 6 to 8 months, and they look like crap all over again. So the best thing you can do is just go buy yourself a brand new set of headlights, because by the time you're sitting there trying to repair them and fix them and dealing with all that, you're better off just buying a new set of lenses. Some of the aftermarket companies are halfway decent now. You can check on eBay and like Amazon like that, and usually you can get a halfway decent set of aftermarket lights out there. But and it'll be safer for you because they won't start to cloud up like the ones that you're trying to restore will. It'll take like years and years and years for that to happen usually. So my father actually did this. he's an auto body guy, so he's like in his 70s. So we had the fight one day. He's like, "I'm gonna restore my headlights." Like, "You're wasting your time." He goes, "I'm gonna restore my headlights. It's gonna fix them." I'm like, "I bet you're a 12-pack. In 8 months, those are all yellow all over again." So he went like that. He restored his headlights. It was back at it in 6 months. He's like, "I should have just bought new headlights." Like, I told you so. But seriously, I'm a guy that doesn't like to waste time. Once I fix something, I get to be fixed and fixed for a while and go on to something else. I have better things to do in my time than deal with old crusty headlights. So I'm telling you, that's my public service announcement. Just go buy new headlights. What I like to do too is, if I have an old set of headlights that have to be replaced, especially if it's on an older vehicle, like you can get those LED bulbs now, and they're better than like the HID ones that used to be out there. They're pretty easy, and they're usually like a direct swap to the factory bulb that's in the pigtail. So if you change out your headlights, like especially on an older vehicle like this Jeep, this is something totally different. These are truck lights, but I had an '04 Grand Cherokee, and then that I took the headlight housings out because they were all yellow and gross looking. I bought brand new headlights, put them in, and I replaced the 4 bulbs in them, this high-low beam on each side, with LED ones that I found on like eBay. They worked unbelievable. They lit the whole road up. It worked really well. Nobody ever flashed their high beams at me because they weren't so bright that they blinded people coming at me. But they were unbelievable. The truck was awesome like that. So yeah, we want to hear your crusty headlight stories and how great you restored them. So leave a comment if you want to leave a comment. And we like a good laugh over here. So load it into the channel, and we'll see you guys out there. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment. Hang out with us. Take it easy, guys.